Hello friends, welcome back to Neil Money's channel. This week we are coming out with a blazing pick on Lotus Labs, which we feel that it has in after the recent correction, it can be good to accumulate at this level for momentum investing for 2 to 3 months for a quick gain of 10 to 15%. So let's check it out. Laurus Lab Limited is an India-based manufacturer of APIs, that is active pharmaceutical ingredients for anti-retroviral, that is ARVs, oncology, cardiovascular, anti-diabetes, and anti-asthma, and gastroenterology. So, company develops and manufactures oral solid formulations and provides CRAMS, that is contract research and manufacturing services, and also CDMO, which stands for contract development and manufacturing organizations to global pharmaceutical companies. There has been a growth in formulation business to drive the growth. Overall, Laurus Labs has a very solid footing. Revenue from segment has grown remarkably from 5 crores in 2018 to 825 crores in FY 2020. A large chunk of the top line growth, if we see, it is attributed to sturdy growth in the tender business in LMIC. Also, share of the revenue growth formulation has grown to 29% as of FY 2020. Our next trigger point stands at synthesis business, where the management feel that it is going to be one of the key triggers for the company's growth in coming future. Growth in synthesis business would be driven by new client addition and new product commercialization. When we see the revenue growing in this business segment, it grew from 215 crores in FY 2018 to 385 crores in FY 2020. If we check the latest quarter Q1 FY 21, it has already marked 100%, 100 crores growth in the Q1 FY 21, which shows it has a good traction. Laurus Lab API business consists of ARV APIs, oncology APIs, and other APIs. API business degrew from 1860 crores to 1621 crores in last 2 years. Also, when we see the current quarter, it has bucked the degrowth trend, and now it is up by almost 40%. So we can see a strong momentum coming in this sector in coming quarters. So our outlook remains positive on Laurus Labs, and also with the growth momentum being in all the segments like synthesis, APIs, and also formulation. Overall, we see that there has been a change in shift from the in pharma companies to companies that are supply reliable. This trend will work in the favor of the companies that are in the same environment. So we recommend a buy at the price of 1328 with the target of 1550.